give you a show around from the other side. Click on chip to watch where you stand. As you'll see up here on this side, we've been to Poundland again. We've got the yellow guy ropes. There's 4 in the pack for £1. Time to relax. It's just great to get back out and get some peace and quiet and away from the hustle and bustle. And the weather I've been having the last couple of days here in Scotland has been absolutely fantastic. I brought the tarp back there just so I could get a bit of the sun. Excuse me. I was at the doctor's yesterday. I got antibiotics for a chest infection. I seem to have started coughing on the way home from Marin last week. So I'm on the antibiotics. Hopefully I'll get this chest cleared. No better medicine than just coming down the woods, listening to the birds, having a little campfire, the water, sunshine, just chilling against the tree or in the hammock. So a little while here like this, and I'll just head back up. Well, the fire lasted as long as it was going to. I think that's it getting out now. I'm going to just leave it. It's more of a therapeutic thing today than anything. As you can see, the tarp's absolutely brilliant. I really like the camouflage, but I went and got the snake skin. I think it's the average size. I have to double check. It's definitely not the larger one which I have for the coyote brown, and it's a real pain in the neck, this one, because it really is quite tight. And it's still quite tight even using with the ridge line and things, so I wish I got a bigger size. I don't know if they had them in the multi-cam. I can't see why not. I've got it now. You can tell it'd be easily tore if you're not too careful, but even using the caution with it, I think sooner or later I'm going to notice it straight away. I always go with the extra large size, the larger size. It just makes life easier. But I do like the multicam. I think this will be my favourite. Time to chillax before taking a nice scenic walk back home. See, it's a new camera, but the battery's low as well, but I don't know how the playback things work. I mean, I wasn't talking about it because the skeleton case as well is waterproof, so you don't get the soundproof, the sounding really.
Mine's not even touchscreen. I've got a GoPro, but it's not.
Have you? Aye. This is the silver.
Right.
The black is the bigger processor and things, a bit dearer, but
mine's a couple of years old.
I think it's gone. It's not even responding.
Right.
The battery's gone.
We'll just check it out, mate.
Well, my battery's nearly flat. I've tidied up and making it quick. I've just been interviewed with the police due to the fires apparently around about us. The video's probably picked a bit up. Now I see the firemen coming to this side. I'm going to need to direct them. Prophecy prepper doesn't cause fires, and we don't leave messes. Now I need to do my bit. I had to go quick there to say to the firemen where to go. I've already spoke to the police. I wish I still had them in camera if I knew they were coming to see me. Ended up one of them fell right into the ditch there with a little stream. Had to help him. Then obviously getting my details took and telling them what I saw with the fire. Some woman out with the dogs across the river saw the smoke, blamed me. So I've just said to the firemen as well to save themselves a trip to go back and go round the other way, the neighbouring village, because that's where it's coming from. They obviously haven't seen my channel. So I've done my bit, tell them where to go. They're out with their shovels. I'd like to say if I caught the culprit, I think I would use the shovel on him before I use it on the fire, but too many posts going about. I'm kidding on. No, but obviously I was getting the blame there for it. The lady needs to go to Specsavers. As you can see at the early part of my video, it was coming from over there. It won't be on mine. I'm certainly not the cause of it. They seen what I was doing, they believed my story, no problem. I ended up getting a good talk with them. I says if you were here early, for you were actually coming over the water to see me, I would have got my hammock. I would have left it up for you to try it. One of them's got their GoPro Hero as well, but they never seen the one with the back like mine, the silver, so ended up a good chat, and same with the firemen. So stay safe boys, you're doing your best, they're all doing their job well, so keep safe out there, the lot of yous. Good job with the emergency services. But I suppose I should get up the road before I'm getting blamed for something else. I was trying to get the deer there, that's why I turned the camera back on. But you can hear the crackling of the fire up there and the deer's running. So that's seen for Bambi. It really annoys me that, because it's a beautiful day, everything's hot. I had to take extra care with the fire, and don't worry folks, I did put it out. I made sure of that. Not just because I had to visit for the police or see the firemen, but it's just the way I do it. It's the way we should all be doing it. Responsibility. It's an absolute shame. Idiots. I'm starting to see more deer down here as well. I've seen more deer in the last few months than I've seen all my life, and I've been down here a lot. This is my playground. The reason being is the M8, the amount of woodland area, and that's been took up for all this new project with the road. So obviously they're being displaced. I could hear the crackling along there, the big deer just running along, you know. See if you keep just following the path and eventually it'll lead up the way. I'll take you out to the main road, and that's where the crackling really is as well. Alright mate. The DD Hammock and the tap. It's a proper camping one though. Aye, well I did have a wee fire going, but I always put it out with the water and scatter the ashes. Exactly, that's what I keep saying. I've seen a few of them, but I've got the wee gas stove and stuff like that. Aye, I see. You into it yourself, aye? You check me out on YouTube, mate. Hey! Ah, mate, you need to go on it! Now they're away to get the fire. Now you probably haven't been picking up much of that sound, I'll need to check when I got up. Basically it's telling me get a meth burner and that, it's good for the stuff. There you go. Anyway, I was about to do some scenic shots here as walking away with some music, but it's not going to be happening. Keep it real this one. It's supposed to be nice, but we'll just keep it real. It's the same place I've been a few times. You've seen my autumn walk, my springtime walk. Just the local woods again. This is the first time with the GoPro. I hope it's there. That's what, aye, he's a wee bit of a prepper into the conspiracy theories with the sounds of it. And he likes these wee meth burners, so he must know what he's doing with the camp and stuff. Tell him to check me out on YouTube. I suppose I shouldn't slag the policeman in case he does as well. Sorry mate.